Happy birthday! Yun, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa friendship natin. Ayun, sa everyday na message. Ti. Ano bang ti yun? Charot. Yun nga, ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, yung kagandahan mo. Akmang-akma naman yun sa personality mo. Kasi yun nga, napakabuti ng puso mo. And thank you sa friendship. And yun, deserve mo ang lahat. Pati yung love life mo. Yes! Ayun, wish ko sana matuloy na yung ano natin. Hindi na natuloy na, drawing na. Pakulayan, please. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Abby. Thank you for being such a nice and very generous friend of mine. And sana bigyan ka pa ni God ng more blessings and good health for you, for your family, and your loved ones. And thank you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to my sister, to another mother, Abby. Ano na girl? Wish ba? Parang lahat naman sa'yo eh. You have a good life, you have a good work, you have a good love life, and you have true friends. So, I think lahat nasa iyo na. And you have a good heart. So, basta, wag ka lang magbago, girl. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Kasi isa kasi talaga sa mga napakabuting tao na nakilala ko. Kahit nga, kailan lang naman kita nakilala, di ba? Like, a year ago. Pero, yung band na pinagsamaan natin is like, parang magkakilala na tayo for a long time. Basta love kita, alam mo yan. Love ko kayong lahat.
Happy birthday, Abilita! More blessings to come. More health. Emotionally, physically, mentally, lahat-lahat na. And what else? More happiness. Alam ko, deserve mo yun. And congratulations in advance. And thank you for the genuine friendship. Tama ba English ko, girl? Anyways, see you later. I love you forever. Bye-bye.
Hi, Abby. Happy birthday. I hope you are enjoying your day with the girls. On your birthday, I pray that God will grant you the desires of your heart, and I really genuinely wish that whatever steps you're taking right now to be able to come here will succeed. One piece of advice, spend as much time as you can with your friends, because when you come here, life's gonna be a little different. It's gonna be very beautiful, but it's different. So yeah, there's that. And it's really nice to see you create a long-lasting friendship and long-lasting memories with Aizal and Angge. And I wish we had more time in Bahrain, but I hope to see you when you come here. So yeah, right now just enjoy your day, be fabulous, have fun with the girls. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Abilita, may God bless you with more years to celebrate. I'm happy and glad to be your friend. Siyempre, dapat dun sa more years na yun, it means more chismis. Kaya, push tayo dyan. I wish you genuine happiness and good health and successful in every aspect of your life.
Ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Okay, let's sing together. Happy birthday, Abby!
You want me to talk first?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Abby. Hope you enjoy your day. Looking forward to having dinner tonight. Hope you get some nice presents. And yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of the year. And looking forward to lots more times together, spending time drinking, eating, going out.
Yep.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday again.
Bye.
Abby, happy birthday sa aming pinakamakulit at pinakababoritong bunsong kapatid. Wishing you all the best in life. Sana makamit mo lahat ng iyong mga pangarap. Dito man kami ng Ate Michelle mo, handang tumulong din kung anong kailangan, at salamat din po sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin. Happy birthday ulit, Abby.
So, happy birthday, E.G. Takal. Sana ng amin ni pangarap mo matupad. Kito kata upunta Diyos, magdasal kata Diyos, tapi nung amin ni kawagan na papeles mo ay matupal nga na. Jepita, pangarap mo pag makitawa uli. Inamo no ani nakastata no ito ni jowa mo baka ilokon na ka uli. Masakasta no obserba mo labi, dapat mapakatatag ka. So, happy birthday uli, Bigel.
Hi Abby, happy birthday. We love you so much. Sana ari ka nga manguli. Sana ay magbalik kang anyari, maging strong ka, jebilat at trabaho nga na, mag-ingat ka. O, dapat nga ayusin mo yung buhay mo nga na. Tapi, no, pero mas number 1, dapat makuha ka Diyos. Panonota mo nga, Diyos, nakagabay lang tanitam ngamin. Maski kung nasi kinagagarayutam, arita mataman, imadasal, arita mataman nga makilala, Diyos nga Yoba, tayaya, nakiyawa, tabuhay ta, maski kung si kinaarayom tani kami. Lagi misikaw nga ipagdarasal, lagi misikaw nga kuwata kapanonota mi, anata futumi, jebilaman ta ararayo kamo, ari misikaw mo nga maabot. Masiri mo itam laman ta true phone narilaman. O sana ingat and happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hey baby, I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Let you know that I love you and I miss you and I can't wait to see you. Hope to see you soon. Love you, baby.
Baga naman pasabay sa happy birthday. Parang walang sumabay. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Parang hina na mo.
Happy birthday to you.
Ay!
Pag-shot!
Aww.